Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to play mobile apps on your Windows laptop. Here you can see I have installed Windows 11 in my laptop. Now simply you need to go and search for Bluestacks. You can get this software from this official website. Simply you can go and click here. And now it will take few seconds. After that, installer will be ready. Let me click here and then click on yes button, click on install, and here you can check the size 103 MB, so it can take 5 to 6 minutes. So guys, now here you can see app is installed and it is almost 600 MB. Here you can see downloading is complete. So guys, here you can see downloading is complete. Now installing, and it is 96% complete. Within next few seconds it will be ready. So I will recommend you must have 1 GB free space if you want to use this application for good performance. And I'm using Core i5 8th generation laptop. So guys, here you can see now application is installed. Click on got it, and on the right side here you can see different options in the menu, and search for WhatsApp Messenger. I can select one of the application and then install it. So you need to create a Play Store account. After that you can sign in. So guys, here I have connected my Play Store account. Then let me go here and click on install button. Now here you can see WhatsApp is installing, and after few minutes we can use this one on this laptop.